Hey, it's Phil with the Go Sold Real Estate Group powered by eXp. This is Kevin Belzer, and we are in a special location. Kevin, where exactly are we at?
We are in Gilbert, Arizona, but specifically Morrison Ranch.
Before heading to the house, let's talk about the community itself. Kevin, what exactly did you want to go over?
The top 3 reasons that Morrison Ranch is one of the most popular communities in all of Arizona.
All right, reason number 1, Kevin.
Built-in shopping. Without leaving the community, there's a Basha's grocery store, as well as an animal care, a Panda Express, and a Starbucks.
And there's even a bank.
Yeah, there you go.
And the cool part about it is just like what you said, you don't actually have to go into your car. You can actually literally walk there.
Within walking distance, which is perfect. This is a walking community. Another reason it's a top subdivision in the whole state of Arizona.
All right, for reason number 2, Kevin, this is kind of unique and it's actually kind of helpful if you have elderly parents.
Yeah, so family-oriented community, but also elderly care. They have an assisted living facility right at the beginning of the community.
And again, you don't see this a ton. Obviously, there's assisted living throughout the whole state of Arizona, but this one's very unique because it's built into it and it really feels like they're part of the family.
Yeah, and it's high-end looking. It's got a lot of activities for them to do and walking distance from wherever you live in the community.
And reason number 3, Kevin.
Family-oriented parks. This one is walking distance from the house. These are scattered throughout the whole development. This particular one has a basketball court, full court, which you could annihilate me on because you seem to be enjoying it a little bit more than I was. Behind us is the playground area. They got the covered canopies there for the kiddos, so that's nice, as well as the barbecue area over there, the picnic tables for people to cook out and enjoy while they're watching their kids.
Nice. And then during the holiday season, something special happens. There's a couple of streets that put a ton of lights up. What's typically like the wait time just to drive by it?
It's about 45 minutes.
It's one of the more popular things to do out here in Gilbert, but it's very well known. You might have to wait a little bit, but it's definitely worth seeing, especially if you have kids. We're finally here at the home. Kevin, where exactly are we at?
3551 East Palo Verde Street.
Now, before heading inside, let's talk about a couple of landscaping things that stand out throughout the community.
Well, right as you enter the community, you see the white picket fences, the tree-lined boulevards, and all the lush green grass.
It's really interesting because, again, we're in Arizona, so it is very rare to have a community with all this green.
Yeah, it does have that Midwestern feel to it.
All right, Kevin, let's talk specs.
2,747 square feet, 2-story with a 3-car garage.
Awesome. And as far as bedrooms and baths?
It has 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths with a loft, as well as the great room and the living/dining room.
Nice. Now, if I'm a guest, do I have to go all the way upstairs to go to the bathroom?
You do not, because there is a half bath on the first floor.
All right, let's talk kitchen. Kevin, what are some of the upgrades here?
Well, the cabinets for one are an upgrade. The granite was an upgrade too. We have the upgraded flooring too.
Awesome. And then a couple of other features that I noticed that really adds to it is the backsplash. And it's really cool to see like the see-through cabinets. You don't see that a ton.
No, that's an upgrade. And did you catch the pantry door too?
Yeah, that's actually the frost finish on the glass on that. And of course, it is a walk-in pantry. Before heading upstairs, let's talk about some of the features on the downstairs.
Okay, the downstairs features the living room, dining room, a great room overlooked by the kitchen. Kitchen has the island with the eat-up bar as well as a breakfast nook.
Nice. Another thing that I noticed throughout the first level is all the can lighting, and then there's a nice staircase heading up to the upstairs.
Yep, with the wrought iron look.
Now, as far as the layout for the upstairs, how does that play out?
Well, we're in the loft right now, huge loft. There are 4 bedrooms up here. One of the bedrooms is the master, of course, with the separate shower and tub area and a huge walk-in closet. All the other bedrooms are oversized. One of the bedrooms does attach to a bathroom as well.
Nice. Okay. So one of the nice parts too is that everything's not all on one part of the upstairs either. So it's kind of like a split.
It does definitely have a split to it. The master is split from the others. And right next to the master is the laundry room.
Last but not least is the backyard. Kevin, what do we have?
Plenty of room for a pool as well as a grass area if you want it. Right now it is a completely finished yard. It is 6,400-ish square feet on the whole lot on this one. Nice wide lot.
Yep, and another nice little feature too is there is a little cement pad for patio furniture.
Absolutely, they have that set up right now.
Awesome, and if you want to set up a showing, what's the easiest way?
We make it super simple if I can remember the phone number. It's 480-305-6655 or go to our website, gosoldhomes.com.
Thank you again for joining us. If you have questions about buying or selling, let us know. And until next time, have a great day.